EMCC is committed to being your most satisfied partner. Our modern production base spans 3,000 square meters, with an annual production capacity exceeding 1 million tons. Standardized management lays the safety foundation for every production step. Digital warehousing and unique identification for each steel plate ensure full material traceability. For all cylinder bodies, we exclusively use monolithic steel plates, minimizing welding to the greatest extent and ensuring structural stability. Over 50 cutting-edge machines form our manufacturing matrix, enabling us to process cylinder equipment up to an inner diameter of 4.5 meters, utilizing millimeter precision laser cutting and aerospace-grade welding processes. Track control throughout the entire process ensures every round passes non-destructive testing. Leveraging our 4.5 meter cylinder manufacturing capability and over a decade of process refinement, we have produced thousands of units, hundreds of production lines, and provided equipment support for over a dozen mega projects. For more than 10 years, EMCC has provided high-quality fertilizer machinery, as well as consultation, design, and manufacturing sales to fertilizer production line to clients on over Zone Plantifosa Forza, Land of America, Asia, Africa, and beyond.